Hey, I've got a special message for you speech language pathologists out there. I've created a course called How to Teach a Toddler to Talk, and guess what? It has been hugely successful for parents and therapists who are seeking ways, creative, fun, easy ways to help a nonverbal child become verbal. And to tell you more about it, I've got this guy, Solomon. He is a speech language pathologist over in Iran, and he took my course, had an excellent experience, and wants to tell you about it. So check it out.
Hello, my name is Soleiman Badakhshan and I'm a speech and language pathologist. I took the How to Teach a Toddler course and I want to tell you about my experiences. I was really impressed with how much I benefited from this course, and Kayla's experience helped me a lot. The course made speech therapy activities easier for parents, broke the activities down very well. A lot of modifications of exercises. The feature that I really liked was how the course lessons showed the progression of young children learning foundational skills, then moving upper levels. I think the walkie-talkie course can help toddlers communicate better, and it can help parents enjoy spending time with their kids, so I highly refer this course. Thank you, Kayla, for this amazing course and the opportunity to expand my skills.
Thanks so much, Solomon. It's so cool that you invested time in watching my course and now are helping families in your country learn to help their child learn to talk. Join my course. I can't wait to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.